Hey, my name is Gaille. I'm a Looke studio expert and the founder of Gaille Reports. And today I want to continue to talk about organic traffic dashboards. And topic for today, universal analytics for SEO dashboards. In previous video, I connected my own website Universal Analytics account, and you can see it here, manage data sources. Yeah, I connected several stuff. This is Gaille Reports UI, and we created filter, manage filters. G4 organic, exclude social. Okay, because I used segments here. For Universal Analytics, I used segments. If you scroll down, you can see organic traffic segment. That's what I used instead of filter. So we already filtered organic data. Let's check which metrics and dimensions will be good for us to show organic traffic. Universal Analytics, it will be our main title. Then I can remove this one. I don't need it right now. And to start our dashboard, I want to show main organic traffic metrics. During this video, I explained my logic of creation of dashboard creation, and I hope it will be really helpful for you as well. So first of all, let's use score boxes because they can show only main data. Add a chart, score box, and I add here score box. Gaille Reports Universal Analytics, correct. Add segment, edit segment, organic traffic. So I show only organic users. And which metrics do I want to show? Okay, this is last month's data. It's already pre-set here. I want to show sessions. Okay, and I don't need optional metrics here, but I want to show comparison with previous period. So here is February, will be comparison with January. Kind of like this. I had 28 organic sessions. I want to remind that it's kind of a new website, so I don't have a lot of sessions yet, but it's already good. 28 more than 0. Then I want to manage a bit to style my score box. And maybe like this, maybe make it a bit bigger. And I want to add, border. Maybe like I want to use even 3. Yeah, kind of. I think it's fine. So, and I don't want to see this stuff, this menu, so I will do not show on hover. And setup. What can I change in setup more? I think we are fine. So I align it. Then I want to add one more title. So this Universal Analytics title, it is not for dashboard. I even can do something like this one, so it's for tutorial purpose. So I want to do something like this, and white one, so to understand. It's not correct to 8 spaces, but who cares? Then it will be dashboard title. Dashboard title will be okay. It's kind of organic traffic KPIs. Yeah, this is already started our dashboard. This label is for you for tutorial only. So we have sessions. It's only organic session, as you yeah, as you see, because we filtered here. So I copy the score box, I clicked Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and which metrics I would like to use here. Actually, if you don't know which metrics to use, I can give you some advice. You can start always with Google Analytics. So you can just open your Google Analytics, all traffic, source medium, for example, and see which metrics do we have here. So we have here user sessions, bounce rate, new users, and here you can take some ideas of what you want to show. I think for us, bounce rate will be good. Yeah, I think it will be good. So we change here metrics to bounce rate. Then we can show, for example, average average time on page, average session duration for organic traffic. Then what could be interesting? Page per session, I think pages per session could be interesting for us as well. And I don't know, maybe some conversions, like how many conversions did we have from organic traffic. Goal. I don't have transactions on this. Oh, I think I don't have transactions here. But yeah, it could be transactions, for example. Let's imagine that I have it set up. And it could be, okay, let's use some goal conversion rate. Okay, goal completions. Okay, instead of transactions, let's use goal completions. I will not clarify which goals, but yeah, you can clarify it. And then it will be goal completion, goal conversion rate. I think this bench of data, it's good for us to see main organic traffic KPIs. Then I want to align horizontally and distribute horizontally. So this is our main metrics, let's say. And this we took only from Google Analytics. What could be interesting for me as well, to compare this data, it's kind of trick here I want to share with you, and I want to show you, I want to compare this data with Google Analytics, the whole website data. It's not obvious how to do it, so let's do like this. I will copy this row. I will copy it. This I don't need for now. I want to add some small subtitles. So organic traffic. It will be organic traffic. I want to add it here, and I want to go down kind of like this. And this title will be comparison organic traffic with all website data. So I want to compare our organic traffic with the whole website. This I don't need for now. Okay, how can we do it? For that, I click to sessions. I go to setup, and I can click to blend data. And what can I do here? First table, it's already our Google Analytics. I want to add second table. It will be the same data source, Google Analytics. Dimensions here will be date. And here dimensions will be date, the same. I don't want to see other dimensions here. Configure join, it will be left outer join. And field to join will be date. I have really complex video, like big video, about blending data, so check it if you don't understand what I'm doing here. So what we selected dimensions, and here we will select metrics. Which metrics do we need? We check here. We will select only these metrics that we used for KPIs, like sessions, bounce rate, then average session duration, let's select here session duration. Do you have the session duration? Yeah, not average, just total session duration. I will explain you later why. Then pages session. If I click page, there is this page view. Oh, yeah, I want to see this one, page views. Page views, then goal completions, and I want to rename this, and here I will remove Google Analytics segment, and this will be all sessions. I rename it to it will be easier to use if I rename it. Okay, all bounce rate. Session duration, I don't need it actually, even I don't need it. All session duration, all page views, and all conversions, let's say, doesn't matter. And for the second table, I will add Google Analytics segment, and here I will add organic segment. Okay, I added here, and I need to add the same metrics here. As you noticed, I added a bit different metrics that I used for dashboard, because I can use here only stable fixed metrics, but not calculated metrics, because it will be we will have the wrong number, so we have to rewrite formulas to count calculated metrics here. So bounce rate, session duration, page view, page views, and goal completion. I recommend you to rename this as well, but I don't want to do it right now, because we already can understand that it's organic, that is all sessions and all data. But if I work without video, I rename these metrics as well. And I need to write data source name. It will be UA plus UA organic. So we have blended data now, and now we can, for example, calculate interesting things. For example, we can write custom formula here, create a field, and percent of all sessions. And it will be sum, I think with Google Analytics we don't need it, sessions, divide by all sessions. No, I think not, we need, with blended data we need aggregation method. So we can write a formula, sum of sessions divided by sum of all sessions, and we will have percentage of organic sessions, and we change type to percent, and here we are. 100%. Sounds weird. Let's check all sessions. It cannot be like this. Let's check our blend. Yeah, here there is no filters here. There is no filters here. There is a filter here. Let's check page settings. Nothing. File dashboard report settings. I don't have filter on this level. Okay, this something. Okay, let's check just universal analytics session. Okay, much more than 28. So something wrong with our blend. Oh my god, when I record blend blend data videos all the time, something happened. Okay, finally 206. Good. So we can increase it percent of all sessions. So we should show 206 or 20. How much percent of this number is 28 sessions. So sessions divide by all sessions, percentage, apply. Okay, good. This is a bit weird, and because of that we add aggregation method to fix our formula. Yeah, this looks much better, and I believe that 28, it is like 14% of total sessions of 208. So this looks nice, and this how we can show average a percentage of how many percent from all data organic traffic made. What else? With bounce rate we cannot do it. We can just show, I don't know, we can show bounce rate, all bounce rate, for example, from the whole website. Yeah, it will not work like that. What can we do here? You see we have like a bit weird numbers. So we need to show not bounce rate, we should show bounces. Number of bounces. And this is why I show you that we should write all calculations here manually. Because we don't have correct numbers. And here we can already, now we can calculate formulas. All web, all traffic, all bounce rate. And here will be sum of bounces, sum of all bounces, divide by sum of all sessions. And this will be all bounce rate. It's 62%. And in this case, we can compare this bounce rate to organic traffic bounce rate. Here we can see that organic traffic is a bit better. We can keep it like this to show all bounce rate, or we can do this stuff. We can calculate sum of. We can calculate bounce rate for organic traffic. Sessions and minus all. So is organic SEO difference? It will be difference between bounce rate. Difference bounce rate. Yeah, 9%. So we can see that we have sessions, it is 14%, and bounce rate for organic traffic is 9 points better than for all website. The same thing we can do with session durations, page session, and goal completions, and that is it. Yeah, let's do it. I think this video will be super long. I'm sorry. I thought it will be faster, but okay. Session duration. We have total session durations, so we will calculate difference. Session duration. How to calculate average session duration? We calculate sum of all session duration divided by sum of all sessions. And this will be numeric duration seconds. Show me. Yeah, so average time on the website 1 minute 55 seconds. Organic traffic is much better, so let's show it by formulas. Sum of session duration. We remember this is organic. Divide by sum of sessions minus. I will do it like this so you understand better. And we calculate difference between average session duration for organic traffic and average session duration for all website traffic. We can see that we have amount is bigger than 0, so this is better. Page session, same stuff. I will try to do it faster. Difference pages sessions. So sum of page view. Oh, sorry, I didn't change to blend. Okay, sum of page views divided by sum of sessions minus sum of all page views, sum of all sessions, and it is a number, right? So it's again number more than 0, so page sessions a bit better for organic traffic than compared to the average website data. Goal completion, we will use the same stuff as sessions, so we calculate percentage. We will calculate percentage of goals completion, and here will be sum of goal completion divided by sum of all goal completion. Where is it? All conversions, and it is percentage. Then conversion value, again change to my blend, and the formula we need to calculate conversion rate because okay. To make clear, if it is table data like sessions, page views, so on, we can use percentage from all sessions. When we have calculated metrics like bounce rate, it is not bounces, it is bounce rate. It's calculated. So all average rates, something divided by something, it's calculated metrics. And for calculated metrics, we have to write formulas. This is like 100% rule. And don't forget it to get correct numbers on your dashboards. So it will be a difference in conversion rate. Total conversion rate will be sum of all conversions divide sum of all sessions. It will be for all traffic, and for our organic traffic, sum of goal completions divided by sum of sessions and minus, and it will be percentage, because all these numbers, both of them are percentage. And here we have minus, so it means that conversion rate for the whole website is better than for organic traffic. So that is it for our main KPIs. So we created main KPIs, and then we calculated the difference from the whole website. Then what is interesting for us for organic traffic? It is to see sessions in dynamic. For this, we will use time series chart. Time series chart, here sessions, dates. Yeah, I think it's perfect. We can do some breakdown dimensions to see medium, for example, or not source. I think it's not medium, source. Yeah, medium will be organic, social, CPC. Yeah, because we didn't edit organic traffic segment to this chart. Okay, organic, so it will be not medium, it will be source. To see websites. Yeah, Google, Bing, Baidu. And I want to small tuning of visual. Small, where is it? Okay, I missed it. Where is it? Okay, no, I didn't miss it. It's here. It is here. I want to remove the grid color. Okay, so we see our data in dynamic, day by day, for selected period. Perfect. It looks already nice. It looks already like organic traffic KPIs dashboard. Then what will be interesting for me, it will be interesting to see popular pages. I'm interested in devices, for example, and pages. Not for example, it's really what I'm interested in when I talk about organic traffic. I'm interested in pages, which page is more popular. So I go down, I copy title. I copy my title, order horizontally, and it will be organic traffic popular pages. And here I want to create a table. It will be a simple table. It will be table, and here I want to show our don't forget to add our segment. It's organic traffic. We show only organic traffic here. I use data source, just our regular universal analytics data source. So I used my blends only to compare with the whole website data. Table, dimensions, page, title. Oh, you can use page URL. Depend what do you prefer. I will use here by title. Then I will use the same metrics that I used for my KPIs. So it will be bounce rate. Here, as I use direct connector to Universal Analytics, I don't need to write formulas, just average session duration. So I use the same metrics by split them by pages. Goal completions and goal conversion rate. This is my table. I want to resize column fit to data. I want to show a header in a normal way. and I want to missing data change to dash, and where is it? And I will central, and maybe I want to show the summary row. Okay, based on this analytics, we can say that which pages works better for my website. I want to change some titles because it's too long. Conversion rate, conversion. Yeah, I like it better right now. So this is my paid analytics for organic traffic, and I already can see which pages work, which page is more popular from on my website, where I have more traffic. So I can see, okay, this page works good for SEO. For some pages, could think that, okay, maybe I should work on that and maybe write new keywords for this page or optimize it, something like that. And after that, for example, what could be interesting for me, it could be see pages in dynamic. So I will copy this page or this table and change it to, I will keep only sessions and change it to pivot with head map. This nice thing, and here country I want to change, for example, I can change it to devices, for example, device category, and voila, we can see which page was visited from which devices. But I wanted to do other stuff. I wanted to here month of year. Yeah. And here I wanted to see visits month by month. For example, I don't have a lot of history on my website, but if I had it, I will have several columns here. And I want to change data range here to custom and show advanced data range. Today means 12 months, today minus 0 months. Apply. Okay, we should see something already. Yeah. And sort should be months of year. Ascending. Yeah, this is tough. And this looks already interesting. So we can see pages, session in dynamic, and can see we can add total row here to the pivot table. To see number of sessions month by month. And we can show grand total as well, to show number of visits from the year, for the year, and we can see how our pages work in dynamic. And here I think I will add additional title. Pages organic traffic pages organic traffic sessions by page and month. I think this is really interesting data as well. So we can see, okay, what we changed in from the SEO point of view for each page and when we did it, and can compare how it works in dynamic. And it's already, we can add some device charts here to split data by devices and see devices breakdown, but I think it already looks like SEO organic traffic dashboard. And this data from Google Analytics are really useful, and I think you will like it. What I'm interested in as well about organic traffic, it is queries, impressions and clicks by queries. But this data, I think, better to pull from Google Search Console, and we add these charts from Google Search Console. I want to finish this video because it's already super long. And next video we will see how can we change this data if you use GA4, how it will work for GA4. And further we will talk about Google Search Console data and add some queries charts to our dashboard. Hope you like it. Sorry for the long video, but I think it's super useful and you can use it in really days practice, even not for clients, for yourself, to check if you have your own website, to check how does it work. And I showed you some tips and tricks like blend to see percentage from the whole website data. Yeah, so hope you like it. Leave comments. It's interesting to see your feedback about this video. And talk to you soon.